More than 1 million hectares of South Africa's Eastern Cape has been intensely overgrazed over the past 2 centuries. Extreme overstocking with goats has degraded large parts of the area past the point of natural recovery, turning it from a lush thicket of trees into a desert-like environment. AfriCarbon is restoring this thicket over 5,200 hectares by replanting the foundation of this ecosystem, the Spekboom tree. As the Spekboom grows, it captures large amounts of carbon, attracts wildlife to the previously barren landscape, and facilitates the establishment of other indigenous plant species. Spekboom also preserves the topsoils, ensuring more water enters the soil and flows into aquifers. Over the course of 2023, AfriCarbon has grown 30 million Spekboom plants in a nursery and then planted them out across 5,200 hectares of degraded thicket in Kuzuko Private Game Reserve. This operation involved more than 400 workers in the nursery and field and will sequester 2.4 million tonnes of CO2 over the next 50 years. This is an example of a planting trial done in 2008. This restoration, implemented by AfriCarbon, will generate more than 2.4 million carbon credits using the Vera and CCB methodologies. The exceptional social and biodiversity benefits of the project enabled it to obtain its CCB Gold status. AfriCarbon's goal is to restore hundreds of thousands of hectares of degraded Spekboom thicket by 2030. The 5,200 hectares planted at Kuzuko Private Game Reserve over the course of 2023 provides proof of concept that such scaling is achievable. We are currently looking for funding partners to join us on our journey to restore vast landscapes of degraded Spekboom thicket in the Eastern Cape of South Africa. Please contact us at info@africarbon.co.za for more information.